and would return the sum of those two parameters. It's a very simple function. Okay. So now, what if we wanted a function called add one to each? And we passed in this 8a, a and b, and a will have 3 and b will have 4, and after the function call is called, a will have 4 and b will be 5. So if you have one function and a function can return a single value, but you want to change the value of two variables, how would you do that? And the answer is pointers. Right? So rather than passing in a value, so when you pass in a value, the value is actually copied. Instead, you pass a pointer to a variable. Pass a pointer to the variable, and now these are address locations, and we don't actually have to return anything. We can say it's a void function because we have the memory locations of the variables that we want to alter. Now, if these were simply, if PA and PB were simply variables, we could just go PA plus plus PB plus plus and be done with it. But they're not variables, they're address locations. So if we said PA plus plus, let's say PA points to address location 4000, right? If we say PA plus plus, what PA becomes, if this is PA up here, PA becomes actually, when you do this, it'll probably become 4004. It goes up by one whole address location. No, it might only go up by one because it's pointing to an 8-bit variable. So it may only go up by one. But we don't want to increment that. We want to increment whatever 4000 points to. So 4000, if memory location 4000 in it, has the value 4, and this other one has the value, or sorry, 3, and the other one has 4, and we want to make 3 4. What we need to do is put another asterisk in front of that, put some parentheses around it, and what that does is it says, referring to that location, the value in that location, do the plus plus operator, which adds 1 to it, and the same thing down here. So that will make this one 4 and this one 5. Allows us to alter multiple variables in a function call.